welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate ClickFunnels with Drip. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to your ClickFunnels account. And once you're in here, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Workspace Settings. Click on it. Now, once done, locate integrations, which is right here. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to find Drip. Okay. As you can see here in the list, we have Drip. If you can't find it, go ahead and use the search bar and just type in Drip, like so, and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, click on it, and it will open up a pop-up. All right. As you can see, it says, allow this application to access your workspace, and just click on Authorize. Okay. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here, whenever you are connected to a Drip account right here on your browser, with the same browser, of course, you'll be automatically logged in. All right. That's basically how to do it. Now, in your case, it might need some API key or token from Drip. Go ahead over to Drip right here. Go to the top right and click on your profile. Then go to user settings. Then just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find API token. And here you have the API. All right. If you want to check the connection, you can go ahead over to the left panel and click on Authorized Applications. Just click on it, and here you have ClickFunnels. You can just easily revoke the access by clicking on this red button, like so. And when you go ahead back to ClickFunnels and refresh the page, as you can see here, the integration is gone as well. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.